Thank you. Model ka da. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. I'm Lovelyn Dimapanag. I am 21 years old.
Okay. So, were you working before?
In Kuwait.
In Kuwait. Wow, you have 2 children?
Yes.
How old are they?
My baby boy is 7 years old and my little girl is 4 years old.
Okay. So, when you go abroad, who take care of the 2 children?
Their father.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So, in Kuwait, you have 2 years working there?
Yes.
So, what is your main duty?
Inside the house and the kids.
Kids. How many children you take care?
Uh, my my mama and my baba, my
Mom and sir?
my mama and sir has an 8 kids, but
Wow, 8.
they have a 2 little boy.
But all the other 6 are grown up.
They 7 and 6 years old.
7 and 6. So, how many maids inside the house?
3.
Oh. So, all Filipina?
Yes.
Very big house?
Ay, big house.
Yeah. So, what is your main duty there?
My main duty is to assist the kids, their dresses, and then to wake up them early to go to school and wash their dresses also.
You do hand washing?
No.
Washing machine. And how you divide the 3 maids in working?
In the morning, I wake up 5:30 because the kids have a school at 6 o'clock in the morning. And then I prepare their food. And then when I finish sending them in the school, and then I wash their dresses.
Okay. So, you're not the one to cook the food?
No.
No. Okay. So, this time, you want to apply in Hong Kong?
Yes.
Any friends or relatives working in Hong Kong?
No.
Okay. In Kuwait, you have day off?
I have day off only once a month.
Once a month?
Yes.
So, where did you go when you go up?
I go with my friends.
You go to church?
Yes.
Because in Hong Kong, have weekly off. So, in 1 month, you have 4 or 5 days off.
Yes.
So, sometimes the employer will pay your 2 days off and 2 days allowed to go out. So, are you willing to accept that?
Yes, okay.
Yeah. Because you came from Kuwait, you need to learn more about Chinese cooking, Chinese culture. Are you willing to go to attend the training?
Yes.
Yeah. Any idea about Chinese food? But you eat Chinese food?
No.
Not yet. Okay, so it's quite delicious. You're gonna like that. What is your course in college?
I finished business management.
Where you study before?
There in our place in Estancia, which is Northern Iloilo Polytechnic State College.
Okay. How many brothers and sisters you have?
I have 3 brothers and we are 5 girls. All we are 8.
Oh, okay. And you are?
I am the last child.
Youngest?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So more grown up also. Your husband allowed you, support you to apply the job?
Yes.
Okay. So, are you afraid of the dog?
No.
Cat?
No.
Because in Hong Kong, sometimes they have one pet. You need to take care also.
It's okay.
Yeah. Do you think what is your attitude, the employer willing to hire you?
I have a lot of patience of doing our work.
Yes. What else?
And I am honest because before in my mom and sir, I saw some jewelries, but I set aside because that's not my jewelries, that's my things. So I give it again to my mom and sir because I know that it's not good.
Yeah, and it's a test.
Yes.
They know that they just left the jewelry there, and they will just allow you to give back or you just keep it. Okay. How long you plan to go out again?
Uh, if if my mom and sir wants me to hire again,
Yeah.
it's okay for me. I will.
Because in Hong Kong also got 2 years contract. So do you
Okay.
think enough for you for the 2 years?
No.
More.
More.
Yeah. So now you have no work here. You stay in the house.
Yes.
Okay. Your children go to school all?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Your question.